Vanakkam Makkale, welcome back to our channel Joyce in 2016. So, hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see a preview about Switzerland versus Spain. It's a qualifier match round of 16 and it's like a quarter final game. So, must win game for both the teams. So, let's see who is going to win. And before going to the video, I want everyone to join my Telegram channel so that you will get instant updates and also final team and also my GL final teams. Everything will come in my Telegram channel. And if you want to find my Telegram channel, you just search Jarvis Official in Telegram so that you will get my Telegram channel link, and also you can join my link. And the persons who are in their states Dreamland has been burned, you can play alternative called Sportazy. It's a very good application and you can easily win in Sportazy, less competition, and also it makes you more easy and user friendly application. User interface is very good and also it's similar to Dream 11, and your winnings will be credited within one day, and also you can easily withdraw through Paytm also. So see the contest which is given in Sportazy. So 20 rupees contest, 10 rupees, 14, 35, and see for like if you are a low investor, like if you are a beginner and you don't have much money, you have 100 or 200 rupees, it's a very good application for you. Just add 100 or 200 rupees in Sportazy, you can play 1 rupee contest, 2 rupee contest, 3 rupee contest, and winning rank 1 will be 1000 rupees. So I will give a team for Sportazy also. You can easily invest 3 rupees and make a profit of 1000. So you can win 1000 by investing 3 rupees in Sportazy. And also you can download your money through Paytm also. So you don't need to submit your KYC document like bank and PAN card. So it's a easy and safe and best and good application which gives you more money and also less competition. So download Sportazy and use it wisely. And this is my Telegram channel. I told you can join my Telegram channel. So let's go to the video. So Spain versus Switzerland. It's both very good team and my favorites are Spain. And date and time, so July 2nd, 9:30 Indian Standard Time, and venue at St. Petersburg Stadium, Russia. And TV channel Sony 10.2 SD and HD, and Sony Live and Geo TV. So these are the live streaming applications and also live streaming TV channels which you get through watch the match. And recent form of both the teams, Switzerland versus Spain. So Switzerland like a win loss draw, and Spain win draw. So overall form win draw win. So let's see the both team performance wise. So Switzerland, overall they have played 4 matches and win 2 and draw 1 and lose 1, and home 1 and away 3 matches. So likewise in Spain, overall 4 and home 2 and away 2. So I already told you it's a quarterfinal match. You can see clearly Spain versus Switzerland and Belgium versus Italy. So these 2 matches are happening today, and from this I think Spain will come through, and in this Belgium will come through, like how I am saying Spain and Belgium. So both teams can come into the semi-finals. So let's hope for the best. And previous last 6 games of both the team meetings. So see, you can clearly see for Switzerland they have scored 4 goals, and see the Spain goal average. They have scored 8 goals and only 2 yellow cards and 0 red card. And see the Switzerland 10 yellow cards, 1 red card also, and they have won 1 out of 6. They have won 3 out of 6. So these are the Spain versus Switzerland head to head stat. So you can clearly see the last 6 encounters between Spain and Switzerland. Spain has the upper hand, and today Spain will blast it. So these are the playing 11, like predicted probable playing 11 of Switzerland team. So goalkeeper of Jan Sommer, and Deco Elvedi defender Akanji Ricardo Rodriguez, one of the very good defender and also a penalty taker. And from Spain, you can see Unai Simon is a good goalkeeper and he did very well in the last game. And attacking strikers Alvaro Morata, Pablo Sarabia, and penalty takers also Morata and sometimes like Pablo Sarabia also will take penalty. So main penalty taker, potential penalty taker Alvaro Morata. And both the team formation, so Switzerland they will be playing like 3-4-1-2 combination, and Spain 4-3-3. So I will explain what is 3-4-1-2. So 3 defenders, 4 midfielders, 1 attacking midfielder and 2 forwards. In Spain, 4 defender, 3 midfielder, 3 forwards. So this is 3-4-4-3-1 combination. And let's see Switzerland team news. Granit Xhaka is suspended for because of the previous game he got caught and all. Denis Zakaria is obviously replacement for Xhaka, and hope he will score goal today. Denis Zakaria, very good player. And Mario Gavranic netted the decisive clash against France on Monday night, but Vladimir Petkovic is likely to keep faith with Haris Severik. So his managers they will start with Severik also. And there is no injury concerns. For Spain team news, Luis Enrique made a couple of changes. Spain entering 5-3 win over Croatia. So Jose Gaya coming in for Jordi Alba left back. It's not a confirmed news. Let's see who will start today. And David De Gea sustained a thigh knock in training period. So it's for quite a difficult time for Spain. They are going with Unai Simon. And match facts: Spain are undefeated in last 14 matches in European Championship. And Switzerland can have seen under 2.5 goals in their last 4 games in Spain in all competition. So Switzerland, they have scored 2 goals against Spain in last 4 matches of against Spain. So Spain கூட விளையாடும்போது Switzerland வந்து ஒரு 2 கோல் மேக்ஸிமம் அடிச்சிடுறாங்க. There have been 2.5 goals scored in Switzerland last 3 games. So Switzerland கடைசியாக 3 மேட்ச்லையும் 2 கோல் அடிச்சிட்டாங்க. So prediction, so I given some prediction for you. You just read it clearly. I just make a pause over here. Okay guys, I hope you all paused the video and read the prediction for the game. It will be useful for you. If I tell all the prediction, it takes much time, so I don't want to fire out your time. So let's go to the other stuffs. So important fantasy point system. So these are the important fantasy point system which you have to follow while you're making your GL and SL team. So big chances created and accurate passes. First we will see about Switzerland team stats. So big chances created. What is big chances created? So big chances created அப்படின்னா இப்போ கோல் எடுத்துகிட்டு இப்போ ஒரு மிட்ஃபீல்டரோ இல்லை ஒரு டிஃபெண்டரோ கோல் எடுத்துகிட்டு பால் எடுத்துகிட்டு போயிட்டு கோல் அடிக்கிறதுக்காக ஒன்று மிட்ஃபீல்டர்கிட்ட பாஸ் பண்ணுறான் டிஃபெண்டர், இல்லைனா மிட்ஃபீல்டர் வந்து ஸ்ட்ரைக்கர்கிட்ட பாஸ் பண்ணுறான். ஸோ அந்த சான்ஸ் க்ரியேட் பண்ணுறாங்க இல்லையா, ஸோ அதுக்கு பிக் சான்ஸ் கிரியேட்டர்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு டேர்ம் இருக்குது. அண்ட் ஆல்சோ அதுக்கு பாயிண்ட்ஸ் ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணுறாங்க ட்ரீம் 11. So guys, the big chance creator is nothing but the person like midfielder taking the ball and trying to provide a clear chance to forward, and he making a goal, and that's called big chance created. And accurate passes per game. So these are the players who will get big chances passes point and also accurate passes. And tackles and interception average per game. So in tackle wise, Saka, Empafu, Freuler, Akanji, Elvedi, Widmer. So these players are important, and unfortunately Granit Xhaka is not playing today. And shots on target per game. So shots on target. So Severik, Embolo, Shaqiri. So these players, they will give more shot on target point. So select these 3 players in your GL and SL team. And Steven Zuber is a very good player, so don't miss him. And goal and assist scorers. So recently these players have scored goal in their last games. Severik, Shaqiri, Embolo. And Steven Zuber, he made a very good assist for every game, 4 assists. So must pick player in your all GL team. And Shaqiri also very good player. See 2 goals, 1 assist. And now see for Spain stats and other stuffs. And see Spain tackles and interception. So averagely tackles and interception done by these players. So Koch midfielder, Busquets midfielder, Aspi defender, Busquets, Dani Olmo, Jordi Alba. So you have to take all these players in your GL and SL team. And big chance creator, I will explain what is big chance creator. So let's see who. So Laporte, Lorente, Eric Garcia, Sarabia and Alba. And shots on target. You all know Morata, he has been in rough bad form, but in last match he gained form. So take Morata and Olmo. If you watch last game, Dani Olmo played a very good second half game in last 80 to 90 minutes. He played very well and made many chances. So don't avoid Dani Olmo, must pick. And goal and assist makers Sarabia, Ferran Torres, Alvaro Morata. So these three players have scored 2 goals respectively. And assists Olmo, Moreno and Sarabia. And Moreno also have a potential to goal. And goal prediction 1:2. So a winner is a dreamer who never gives up. So you never give up on your dream and or anything, whatever your passion, whatever you're doing, do it with your full will, and you will get them good profit, and you will fetch the fruit of a result. So let's see who and all important players in both the team. So this application is SofaScore application, so you can download from Play Store. So these two forwards are important. If Embolo starts, you can take him. There is a high chance of Embolo to score a goal today, and also Shaqiri. Maybe Harry Saveric may score or may not score today, and must pick Steven Suber. So first of all, I will say both the teams which players are important and good players. Embolo, Saveric, Shaqiri, Suber, Ricardo Rodriguez, Akanji, and these three players important. Busquets, Koke, Alba, Laporte, CZ Aspilicueta. In goalkeeper you can take Sommer. Spain goalkeeper also good, but you can take Sommer. So now I will say who will give you more passing points and more important in like that one player or two player give you win. So that player, Fruila, Zakaria, Pedri, Busquets, Koke. So these players will give you a lead. Like you will get lead 10 or 15 point lead against your head-to-head small league team. So let's see the Dream 11 team making section. So this is my SL team. I have made my SL team. There is only one doubt, Jordi Alba. If you want to go with safe team, you can remove Jordi Alba and take another defenders, anyone defender like Jose Gaya or Empafu, or you can go with midfielder Busquets. So like this also you can go. So I will explain why I have taken this team. Savare good striker, and these two strikers are important. And midfielders Koke, Shaqiri, Sarabia, important one. You may ask me why I didn't pick Suba. Because of credit issue I didn't able to take Suba. But I will try to take Zuber in team because he's a very good and important player. I will anyhow after lineup we can see who will play and who will not play. Almost this is the playing 11 of my 11. So these 11 players will play sure. I think so. So see, I will tell the important players who may score a goal today. Embolo, Zuber, Shaqiri, Sarabia, Ferran Torres, Laporte. So these players can score a goal, and Denis Zakaria, important. So these players can score goal, and captain vice captain option for like your GL team. Sarabia captain, vice captain Morata. Sarabia captain, vice captain Ferran Torres. Ferran Torres captain, vice captain Morata. Morata captain, vice captain Torres. And Pablo Sarabia captain, vice captain Saveric. Sarabia captain, Embolo vice captain. Sarabia captain, vice captain Shaqiri. Shaqiri captain, vice captain Torres. Torres captain, vice captain Saveric. And Aspi captain, vice captain Pablo Sarabia. And Ricardo Rodriguez captain, vice captain Aspi. So these are the GL combination you can make, and I hope you all enjoy the video and you gain lot of knowledge. If you want a detailed explanation about to making GL team, you inform me through comment. If you want GL team also, I will teach you how to make GL team. So let's wind up the video. This is Jarvis signing off.